Hi guys, Jim from Primal Academy. Just 3 quick tips on how to improve your core training. So first of all, don't rush. And instead of doing everything a mile a minute, trying to sprint through all your floor bikes, how about we slow down a little bit and we take our time. So now I can actually feel the muscles that are meant to be working through their full range of movement, which brings me on to the second point. Move more. So instead of always doing these really tiny movements all the time, how about we spread out a little bit more and we allow our body and our whole trunk and core area to actually work through all the movements that it has available to it. The last little point, instead of creating movement all the time, how about we spend a little bit more time resisting some movements? So how about sticking some anti-rotation work into your training, swapping out a basic plank hold with some shoulder taps where we have to stop ourselves from twisting all the time. Those are 3 quick tips on core stability. Check out our core stability workshop if you want to learn more.